Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be fixing the magnets on my Mackie Cp3. Right here, the magnets popping out, and we just did a video of putting the magnets on the AC EDC sandwich. So you can see we put on all of those magnets. I'll put a link to the glue below if you guys want to get it. So yeah, but yeah, this is dope. Definitely recommend this. And then we'll be fixing the magnets on my 01 EDC. So yeah, that'll be next. But first up is the Cp3. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the magnet, and then first figure out. So it goes in. It goes in this way. Gotta mark that. Alright, these magnets are pretty thin compared to the sandwich. So yeah, let's go ahead and put the glue in first. That should be enough. And then let's carefully put this. Shit. Alright, let me just push that in there. First of all, let me just close it back up. And then have it pushed in. Take my Q-tip and take off that extra glue. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this outside for about 5 minutes for the glue to harden. So then I'll be back. So meanwhile the Cp3 is cooling off, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the magnets on this thing. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. That's nice and clean. And for this one, shit. Pour some more. Oh damn, I spilled some on there. That's alright. Such a pain. Alright, that's cleaned up. Alright. Those will look pretty clean. It's good. I just gotta figure out which way these magnets go. So I'm putting in this way. So it'll be going in this way. Perfect. And then this one. Gotcha. Perfect. All right, let's begin. Sorry. That should be plenty for these magnets. That's good. Gotta get a new one. Hold on, guys. I gotta go over here. All right, they're snug in. Let me just wipe off some extra. Look at that, all fixed. Now this thing should work. Actually, no. I'm gonna leave this outside now, and then I'm gonna come back with the Cp3. All right, here's the magnet that we put back in. Putting it back together now. Oh yeah, so smooth. If you guys are thinking about this thing, definitely get it. It's so good. It's so smooth too. It's like my top fidget, all the fidgets, and I would probably pick this over everything. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes for the glue to cool down on the 01 EDC that I just left outside. So I'll be back soon, right? I'm gonna put this glue away now. Let me see if I can even take it off. Oh shit. Alright, so I'm just gonna toss it back in there. And I hope that's fine. But yeah. How did I fit this in here before? Jesus. Oh, it's because the top was unscrewed. Yeah, this was on the top, I mean. I'm just gonna put this in here. Alright. I'm gonna go put this away. Time to take a look at the 01 EDC. It's pretty good. Let's try it out. Oh yeah, so much better. I think you gotta oil it and then it'll be perfect. But yeah. This is my stainless steel version of the 01 EDC. Damn, I love them both the same. Probably even this more because the looks and the sound is just better, I think. But yeah, I love them. I love this thing. I love all of these. But yeah. Alright, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.